Jack for Philpott. Shout out to Jack for Philpott.
Thanks.
And Budgie Boy, BrandonSyphas 2 and 1. And RealMasterTian. Look at me! No. This thing is my. Oh look. Wait. Who's next? Look at that thing behind you.
Yeah, I might need to do another photo thing.
There you go. Got a new creepy guy.
Should I name this series as we see each other all the time? Should I name this?
Yeah.
The YouTube Club.
Yeah.
The YouTube Gang. This is. I might make a new channel called The YouTube Gang, which is this video could be uploaded on both the Kicksta DVDS and shut up! You're really getting on my nerves! It is!
It's your go.
It's your go! Come on! Thank you for recording me.
Do you the trick about ice cubes? I learned you a trick about ice cubes. When they shrink.
Jack, come on, Jack, you run this time. Good. You're gonna get much more. I hope so. Come on. Come on through. You got another go. Look, Jack, do this.
Disgusting.
Jack, when you have the ball, do this. Like that.
The ice machine. You put an ice cube.
I'll steal my drink.
That was a.
Yes, Jack.
Wine.
That was nearly a strike.
Now 21. Not far.
Look at mine. Here, look at mine. Hurry up. Oh yeah, this will be a vlog. Finally, finally another vlog. Yes, this is my 31st vlog. I've done a vlog. Are you ready? Since February 2018. That's because my channel gone for a while.
Yeah. It's your turn now. Yes, I know. Give me that.
No, guys, all of us, me and Thomas are the only YouTubers. All you guys are YouTubers. We did give you cameras, you silly billies.
Harvey. Are you going to do the suck on ice challenge?
For what?
The suck ice challenge. You drink your drink and you suck on one of the ice cubes. So you can do it first.
Shut up. Anyway.
Yeah? As a challenge for your YouTube vlog. For your vlog. It's a thing for your vlog.
What?
It's a challenge for your vlog.
Is it now?
Yeah.
Oh, fine. It's gonna be your go soon.
I know. We'll do it after my go, yeah?
Yeah.
We have to drink your drink.
Time to do this challenge. Oh, that's stuff. Now we can do that ice cube challenge after that, Tian. Hey, Jack.
Yeah?
Right, let's do it.
What? Is it my turn? Record. Beautiful. We're gonna marry. How depressing, because I didn't get it all. Okay, so what we did?
Nice cube.
Yeah, this is beautiful.
Ice cube.
You are not in my video.
I am allowed to be.
The ice cube. Let's do the ice cube challenge with us.
No.
Wait, Jack, did you? Yes, Jack.
That gives me first.
So my turn.
I've got a spare.
Hurry up. You can hurry up. Just have to grab it. There we are. How depressing.
What am I gonna do now?
What's Brandon gonna do? Because there's a ball in the middle with bloom in the
Hold that ball.
Brandon, this is hectic.
I know.
Who's winning?
You. You're winning. You're winning. What are you doing?
No, what are you doing? Somebody!
School. I want to see the school.
It's here.
It's there.
Brandon, come on. No, what are you doing? What's he doing?
No.
What's wrong with him? It's here. Brandon, you've literally got to try to help yourself hit the ball. What are you doing? Look at those little buggers. What did you do now? What's wrong with you?
Oh.
What's wrong with you, Brandon?
I didn't do anything.
I didn't do anything. Dear, did you give Brandon that idea? What's wrong with you? Alright. So, this lovely chair.
I'm still winning.
This lovely chair. So yeah, this lovely chair. I feel embarrassed now in public. Right, everyone. Hello, this is Kicksta DVDS' clone. Kicksta DVDS has asked me to pass on this message because, well, he can't do it because he's choking down there. I mean, I should probably be saving him as he's technically a family member, but no. It's nice to see someone die for a change. It's nice to see someone die in the fiery pits of hell for a change. Anyway, the message is that, no, it's not that. Why would it be that? Why? It's that there's a funny clip about Budgie Boy laughing, and when he laughed about something or whatever, and it's really absurd. That's what he said. No, I don't care. I don't care about any of this YouTube shit. Anyway, so yeah, watch the clip of the psychotic person laughing, and say bye to the psychotic person that's on the camera that you shall look at on your laptop screen forever. Tia, did you?
I did it. I got all my books. Yo! Hi! My God! You got the gutter ball.
Jack, did you get a strike the first time? No, a near strike.
I got near strike. Yes. Next to goal is
Jack, your ball hard like me. That's how kicks the
Did you not see that? Did you not see that, boy?
I did see it. Again. We're doing bowling, not football.
I'm joking.
Oh yes. I was never doing a challenge in the first place.
Look.
There we are. Hello, Brandon. Hello, Jack.
Hello. I'm free.
Let's have a battle. Who's winning? Who's winning?
Ice cream.
Brandon in his natural habitat.
Oh yeah. So it broke up with me.
There we are.
You guys. Come to die.
Who the hell would pull a face like that? So guys, I'm going to stop recording it. What are you looking at? I'm going to stop recording here, but I'm going to record back when we're at McDonald's. By the way, I do this religion thing I do that thing that he does too, where he puts a show over his head. I do that too, but I don't feel like it today, so...
In the well, Tian. In the well. I have that. You're poor. And we want to play on this one. I want to get a 5-stick.
I want that echo.
I'm going to try and win that 5-stick.
I'll get the 4 out. I'm going to try and get the 5 and 7.
I want the 5
I want the camera for the car. I want earpods. I'm so poor, I need earpods.
Those are purple ones. They're the 30.
I don't want any of them.
They're the 30.
I know.
They're the 30.
Why make some interest in this? Let's go somewhere else. I'd rather get money.
Wait, you recording?
Yeah.
Give us money. We want to play on machines.
I'm unhappy for you, Tian. You've really disappointed me.
Thank you.
I'm happy.
Come with me.
Jack, we're gonna do a Q&A. Jack, what's your name?
Free. Wait.
Give us all the money.